Hello everyone, I am Kyle Anthony Pinilo and I am here to tell you to do a simulation about the laboratory exercise 1, which is titled the blinking light. So the components used in this laboratory exercise is the Arduino. So an Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on an easy to use hardware and software. Next component to use is the breadboard. Breadboard is a tool used in electronics to build and test circuits without the need of for soldering. So next component to be used is a resistor. So a resistor is a passive electronic component that limits or regulates the flow of electric current in a circuit. So the last component to be used in this laboratory exercise is the LED, or the light emitting diode. It is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it, and that. So let us now proceed on the procedure. So to do this laboratory, we connect a wire from digital pin 13 to the positive side of the breadboard. So now that this wire is connected to the positive side of the breadboard, so at the other end of the resistor, we connect a wire. So this wire is connected to the positive side of the breadboard, and also at the other end, we connect it. So at the anode of the LED, so we connect a wire, and at the cathode of the LED, we connect the ground. So this is a wire that indicates it's the ground, the color black. So at the ground, it's connected to the ground part of the breadboard. So a wire is connected from the breadboard to the GND of the Arduino. So now let us copy the code that is given in the laboratory manual and paste it to the code in this simulator. So now that we have here is the code. So here we can see that this code. So let us now start the simulation. So as we start the simulation, we can see that the LED is now blinking. So it turns on for 1 second and turns off for 1 second. So how about if we increase the value of the delay code? So stop simulation, code, go to the delay value. So set it to 2000. So start simulation. So here we can see that the LED turns on for 2 seconds and turns off for 2 seconds. So now that we see that the blinking of the LED is much slower. So how about if we decrease the delay value of the code? So change it to 5. Stop simulation. So 500, 500. So start simulation. So now we can see that the LED blinks much faster if the delay code is lower in value. So blinks for 0. It turns on for 0.5 seconds and turns off for 0.5 seconds. So stop simulation. So what if we change the digital pin from D13 to D8? So what part of the code we should we change? So in changing the part of the code, we need to change the integer of the code. So the int led pen. So we set it to 8. So if we set it to 8, the LED is blinking. So for it, the digital pin 8 supplies current to the circuit. So what if we run the simulation but we didn't change the integer? So we still set it to 13. So start simulation. So as you can see here, there is no LED is not blinking. So why is that? So there, for the in the code that we set up, the int of the integer led pin is set to 13. So set the 13 is not connected to a wire, so there is no current that is going through the wire that provides supply to the LED. So that is why it is not blinking. But if we change the integer to 8, start simulation. Then we can see that the LED is now blinking. So that is all for this laboratory exercise, and thank you.